So guys, this is super crazy. All right, so the hop exchange is actually a crazy solution that helps you to bridge between different layer 2 protocols. I want to move my ETH from Optimism protocol to Arbitrum protocol. Is that not super awesome? And I'm moving this and it should appear in my wallet within some few minutes. Okay, and the mind-blowing fact is that the fees are extremely very low, 0.00032. It's about $1 or thereabout. Okay, so gone are the days when you have to pay several tens and hundreds of dollars in Ethereum just to pay for gas fees. I personally have paid up to $250 just to pay for gas fees when I want to make a swap from Ethereum to USDT. That is crazy. Or even to send to an exchange. That is super crazy. So, but here Hop Exchange is providing that solution to make the bridge between these different layer 2 protocols very easy. Okay, if you have assets in Ethereum in one protocol, you can easily send it to another protocol. It's okay using the Hop Exchange. So here I've actually entered the amount of ETH that I want to send from Optimism, and this is the amount I'll be receiving in Arbitrum, and this is the fees estimated received. So once you have done this, you will just go ahead to hit on what? Send. But before you do this, make sure that Optimism is selected by default in your, so I'm sending 0.0491. all right, so once you done that, you click on what? Send, and it should do what? Send this from Optimism to Arbitrum. Estimated receipt is this, so I hit on what? Send, and there will be an interaction between it and MetaMask for that fund to be sent. Is that all right? So it's very easy. If you can use Uniswap, if you can use PancakeSwap, if you can use any of the swaps around, then you should be able to use this, because when you are bridging, it's just like sending. Hope this makes sense. Hope you got value in this video. Also, interacting with all this shouldn't take you much, right, compared to the many amount of fees that you have to pay before now. It's actually very easy and straightforward. And also, this will also qualify you for upcoming airdrops. Do well to support our channel by smashing the subscribe button right away. Also, like and share this video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. Remember, in all you do, always do your research. Peace out.